Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of our brand new 2026 Bennington 23 SSR. This is a beautiful boat. We've got the Blackout Luxe package. So we've got the black rails, we've got the black rub rail, the black insert. We've got our new for 2026 midnight blue color. This boat is a tritoon. It's got the SPS package. Let's walk around back and I can show you a little bit more. Guys, we're standing here at the back of the new Bennington 23 SSR. This boat is optioned out with the extended aft deck. We've also got our ski tow bar, and this boat has the big 250 horsepower Mercury motor. We've got our lily pad ladder, super great for retrieving and deploying into the water. It's spring assisted. Let's hop on board and we can look at the inside. All right, guys, we're standing inside the 2026 Bennington 23 SSR. We've got our very spacious chase lounges here on either side. Lots of storage up underneath here. Roto-molded seat boxes. As you can see, we just had a little bit of rain, but these gutters channel all that water overboard, so all your stuff stays dry inside. Got some nice cup holders and a spot for your phone tucked away in the lumbar area. Got a removable table on the center line. As we step back, you can see we've got our upgraded helm. This is a new dash for 2026. This is an option on this boat. Got these really cool looking Bennington gauges, as well as our Garmin chart plotter there in the center. We've got a tilt steering wheel, Rockford Fosgate audio, soft touch accessory buttons. We've also got a nice little phone charger tucked away down there, as well as a lockable glove compartment. We got our captain and co-captain's chair, super comfortable in this model. As we move back, we've got our stern radius seating. Once again, chase lounges here in the rear, roto-molded seat boxes. We've got our 10-foot Bimini. This is a manual Bimini, but it gives us a ton of shade up here on the boat. Really great for staying out of the sun. Guys, if you want to come check this boat out, or you have any questions, you'd like to give us a call, give us a shout or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.